Hello, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial. This is Hassan Mir from 02protraining.com. So this is the file we created in the previous session. We inserted a small JavaScript program between the script tags and we executed this page.html file through the browser just to see how it looks like. Okay, now this is not one of the best ways to insert JavaScript code in the HTML page. The reason is that, let's say you have 10 pages and you are inserting the same JavaScript code in the 10 pages, and a point comes where you need to change your code. So you have to basically modify all the 10 pages one by one, which is not very efficient. So there is another way of inserting a JavaScript code, and that is what we are going to take a look at in this session. Using this new method, you create a separate file containing just the JavaScript program, and you refer to that file in the HTML pages. That way your program remains in one location, and whenever you need to modify the program, you can simply go into that JavaScript file and modify your program, and you don't need to modify all the 20 HTML pages. So what I've done here is I have moved the JavaScript lines from my main HTML page into a separate notepad file. And now I'm going to save this file as script1.js. I'm putting this name between the double quotes so that Notepad doesn't append .txt extension in front of it. So just to make sure this file gets the extension .js, I'm using this double quote. So save the work. So now we have a page.html file, which is simply an HTML file, and now we have script.js file, which contains the JavaScript program. And now we need to refer to this program, this file script1.js, in this HTML code. Now all I need to do is refer to this file in this script tag. So I am going to add an attribute called src, stands for source equal to the file name script1.js. Now this file script1.js is residing in the same folder or directory as my page.html, so that's why I'm simply putting here the file name without mentioning here the full path. So this is the relative URL, script1.js. So system is going to look for this file in the same folder as the original file. So this is my browser, and let's go to my file page.html. So I'm expecting exactly the same behavior. First I see the alert, which is coming from the JavaScript program residing in a separate file. If I click OK, then I see rest of the text that is coming from the HTML body. So same behavior, but more efficient method. JavaScript is residing in a separate file.